He said there's a lot of girls I can do it. I'm doing forever in a minute. And Papa says he's got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na, Havana, ooh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh na na. Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I'd really love to come kick it with you. Would you be my American boy? He said, hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I've just met this 5'7" guy who's just my type. I like the way he's speaking, his confidence is peaking. Don't like his baggy jeans, but I might like what's underneath them. No, I ain't been to MIA. I heard that Cali never rains, the New York heart awaits. First let's see the West End, I'll show you to my brethren. I'm liking this American boy. Would you be my love, my love? Would you be my love, or would you be mine? Would you be my love, my love? Would you be my American boy? Listen, since you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Tension between us is like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with those things you say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with those things you say. Passing up on my old ways, I can't blame you, no, no, no. Captured effortlessly, that's the way it was. Happened so naturally, I did not know it was love. The next thing I felt was you holding me close. What was I gonna do? I let myself go, and now we're flying to the stars. Hope this night will last forever. Oh, 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 ain't nobody loves me better, makes me happy, makes me feel this way. Ain't nobody loves me better than you. You were my sun, you were my earth, but you didn't know all the ways I loved you, no. And you took a chance, made other plans, but I bet you didn't think that they would come crashing down, no. You don't have to say what you did, I already know. I found out from him, now there's just no chance for you and me to ever be. Don't it make you sad about it? You told me you loved me, why did you leave me all alone? And you told me you need me when you call me on the phone. Girl, I refuse, you must have me confused with some other guy. Our bridges are burned, and now it's your turn to cry.